Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is a USB Type-C adapter convert to 3.5 millimeter aux or audio jack. You could plug in your earphone, headphone, cable, 3.5 millimeter cable, and then to connect this to your speaker. So I'm going to test out on my Note 10 Plus. As you know, they put away the 3.5 millimeter jack. So I purchased this just to test this out and see if it works. I purchased this $1.95 from eBay, and then the tax on top of that. So total is about $2.12. So let's go ahead and open this up and test it out. So this one is the silver color. They have 4 different colors available: rose gold, gold, silver, and then black. So it comes with this Ziploc. So here's a 3.5 millimeter jack. You can plug in your headphone or your adapter. That converts to that connects to another speaker. So I'm gonna power this on.
Power on. Bluetooth already opened. Now is auxing mode.
So it's on auxiliary mode. Let's go and then play a non-copyright song. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in right now. I log into my SoundCloud. Hopefully it's not too loud. What? Unfortunately, it says only the digital will work with this 3.5 millimeter jack for Note 10 Plus. So yeah, I'm not sure if this one will work with the Osmo Pocket. That's the reason I purchased this, to test it out. So because the Osmo Pocket, they selling this adapter was like $30 or something. So anyway, I'm gonna contact the seller and see what's gonna happen.
Power off.
So I might have to return this one because it's not working with the Note 10 Plus. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. So be sure to make sure this adapter will work with your device. So unfortunately, it's not going to be working with the Samsung Note 10, Note 10 Plus. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop it in the comments down below. Peace.